All right, Canada, quick PSA. Stop paying UPS those insane brokerage fees. I just saved $445 on one shipment, and I'm going to show you how. Self-declare your own package. When UPS says you owe them hundreds of dollars in fees, you don't. You can self-declare with the CBSA, and here's all you need to do. It's very simple. Well, somewhat simple. They make it hard, but be persistent. When they call you and say you owe X amount of dollars, $602 for example, this and this. Granted, yeah, it's a gear set. It's a little heavy. It was 2 boxes, and this one's long. Ooh. When they call, and we all know they will, begging for money, here's what you say. I'm self-declaring this package, and I would like it put on brokerage hold. Email me the commercial invoice and the port of entry. The tracking number is going to be what's called your CCN, or your car control number. Don't let them tell you you can't otherwise. Like, this is law, and we're allowed to do this. For myself, I'm only a 40-minute drive from an office in just south of me here. If you were in Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto, anywhere, you live anywhere close to a border crossing, you can do this for yourself. Don't let them tell you otherwise. One of the things they're gonna try to trip you up on is, what's your business number? If this is for personal use, you don't need a business number. We're all Canadians here, we're allowed to do this. You don't need a business number. They're gonna try to tell you you do. This is personal importation. We don't need business numbers to do this. If it is for business, you can also self-declare all your stuff as well. It's just a little bit extra paper. Here's a quick checklist of what you're gonna need. Then what you do is you take your commercial invoice that they've sent you, this one here. You can see one of the things that they try to do is they will charge you brokerage on the total amount, $1,431.24 USD. When you self-declare and you go down to the border, they look at it and go, well, no, it's only on the goods. It's not on the shipping, because you're not importing shipping. But UPS tries to nail you on that. Because on this, I paid Classic Industries $451 shipping. It was oversized goods. It was a lot, but whatever. So what they're going to send you a commercial invoice. They're going to send you this casual LVS self-accounting procedures document. I blacked out my stuff here, but it also states here that this needs to be stamped by customs. Customs won't do that. This is another place they try to trick you up. And when you talk to them on the phone, they're going to say, oh, no, it has to be stamped on our page. That's incorrect. They can't stamp that legally because they don't have the goods in their hands. But in my case, and I'm sure in your case, by the time they're calling, it's already cleared customs. So then what you're going to get is called a B15. Here's a copy of mine. This is the area in here that needs to be stamped. And it's not even stamped. It's just printed out, CBSA, the date, says it's paid, the location it was paid, which is their port of entry. And down at the bottom, you can't see, but that's $162. That's a lot less than $602. So in my case, UPS wanted $602. They can keep dreaming. Not going to happen. Quick drive on a nice sunny day. Yeah, can't get any better than that. Save this, share with your friends, tag the next guy you know, everybody you know in Canada that is importing and bringing stuff in themselves. If they live remotely close to an international airport, you can use an airport. Anywhere there is a CBSA office can do this. Very, very simple process.